In this video, we are going to look at how to buy from the Prof's Study Shop. So from your dashboard, you just click shop, or you can click your profile and come and click shop. And then the bookshop opens. You can see all the relevant books that is there. All right. So you can just choose any book you want to buy. Let's say that I want to buy Principles and Practice of International Taxation. This is actually international taxation. So I'll just click and it is added to my cart. So these are the two things in my cart. I can delete this one because this is the only one I want. So 199, the same approach, right? You put in your details, maybe your street address, maybe CA Street. Okay. Then maybe Tema, your state or your region, Greater Accra, then your postal code. Okay. So maybe I want to pay with mobile money. I can agree to the terms and then I purchase. So this will redirect me to the purchase platform, and then maybe this time I want to pay with Vodafone, right? So I can just go and bring my 050241242. Okay, so you just click and then you proceed to payment. Okay, so it says payment cancelled by customer. Yes, it's because I have a transaction pending, right? But that's how it is. So the same way, once you just go there, you can just enter and it will redirect you just like when you are buying a course. Or equally, you can enter your card details. So you put in your card details, the expiry, the CVV, and then you can save to remember the card next time, or you just pay. You click and then you pay, but there's nothing there, right? This is how it works. So once you have done that, you will see that you will be redirected to your books. Okay, and then you can start learning the books. Okay, so it's a relatively simple process. So once you are added to the books, you can just go to my books and then you can just go to start reading. Since this is the only book, I can click continue reading and then I have access to the books. Okay. So these are the books that you can go in and read. You can zoom it. Okay, so you can zoom it to your required zoom, or you can do a full screen fit and then read as and when. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is how you get access to your books to read them. Okay, yes. So this is how to purchase and view books from your dashboard.